Oh, hello everybody, we're back. Good morning. Sorry, I was muted. What's happening? Here's the market open just in time for me to join. How? Well, yeah, I shaved. I needed to. I just had to. Here's the market open, by the way. How's everybody? Trading for keeps, what's up? Abyss, good morning. Adam, welcome. Direction for the day? No information yet. The thing is that we had a beautiful supply zone here and another one up here, and I'm just not sure which way is this gonna go. So yeah, it'll be interesting. It will be interesting for sure. No levels, that's the problem. That's the issue, you know. Absolutely no levels. Okay, was just checking some stuff. So the market is now approaching this 5-minute supply zone. I don't see anything special happening at that level. All is good, trading for keeps. All is good. The penguin suit, no, I just cannot. I can't do that. That's something I just cannot do. I just can't. I just can't. I'm sorry. That is something I just cannot do. So let's see what else is going on. We have that 5-minute supply zone higher. I really wanted to see market go there, and you know, I'm still thinking that maybe I should take a trade. Okay, I jumped into a scalp to see if it wants to go up there to that 86. Not sure, but we'll see. Would be interesting. Not really going there. Cool. All right. Man, I really thought that it will, but it's not. Not yet. yeah, Abyss. I'm sorry, but it's not gonna cut it. Sorry. Okay, my entry is 767, targeting 85.75. I'm gonna actually check this here on the 5-minute as well, on the mini. Opening price here is 86, so maybe we'll see a miracle here. If not, it's fine too. You're short? All right, Zoltan, let's see. Yeah. Well, he can keep a secret, that's it. All right, let's see that 5-minute supply zone. Is this going to play out? I'm still in the trade. This is a very aggressive scalp here that I'm doing. I'm in a drawdown, I know, but this account is dedicated for this. I think I might just have to cut this, yeah. Let's see the super magical indicators. What do they show? Nothing so far. Still kind of like the idea that this could go higher. So let's see. Also thinking to take a long position on the Bully funded. That would be awesome. That made it maybe not as fun as I think. I'm not gonna trade on those. Only on one account. 780. It was just helping we got a flush and take out by 7 AM lows. Maybe it could be happening. I'm gonna place long order at 705. Good area, actually. Good area to catch some positions. Let's just see. Still hovering here. Okay, it's going lower. All right. Think I'm closing this. Hey, Art, good to see you, man. What's up? Yeah, kind of funny, but this one doesn't seem like it wants to drop yet. Slow grind lower here. I wonder how far it can go. Maybe all the way down to that 1 minute zone down there. Who knows? Do we have some news event happening later maybe? I don't think so, right? I don't know. I don't know. Sometimes he does, I think, but not always. Ah. You're making the round. Nice. Sometimes I think sometimes he does, but as I said, I'm not sure exactly when. It's randomly he's doing it. Okay. Let's see what's going on. The zone is left untouched completely, by the way. I still have my trade. Moving my TP to 84.75. Actually 84 maybe. About Steven? Yeah, sure. Who's Steven? Oh yeah, oh, sorry, the MyFunded TV host, Steven. Haven't really watched his stream, to be honest. I mean, I wanted to check him out earlier, but I haven't checked it. Yeah. Sorry, yeah. He's a great. I mean, he's definitely more mature than many of us. Like, I'm not saying he's old, but definitely he seemed to be like having quite a lot of experience in this business. Yeah, oh, the peaceful mood, that's what you like. Okay. Well, yeah, it depends on, it's personal perspective, I guess, for everybody. Here's a trade, by the way. All right, I'm closing this because it's just too much hovering in this area, and I don't want that. But it's good for me. It's okay. On my end, it's fine. Hey, yes, Max, I'm from Hungary, yes. Yeah, I think it would be great to see the supply zone being tagged. That's what I'm kind of hoping for. Yeah. Really? That's what she said. Well, it means that the tits are not free here. Basically. Starting to become more questionable, like the sponsor with Patrick Whelan for attention. I don't know about the sponsorship with Patrick Whelan, so I don't know about that. Yeah, exactly, Max. That's what it means. That's what it means. All right. Let's see what's going on. it was a sponsor, but he said it wasn't. Cheering on Wieland. I don't know. I don't really care about what Wieland is doing, but I'm sure that that sponsorship deal is made up by Patrick. But that's what he does. He likes attention. Never forget that basically 90% of the time he likes to draw attention. Let that be a tweet or something, you know. Even if it's false news or whatever, when it draws attention, it works, you know. Well, I don't know if he's a fraud or not. He can definitely trade, but you got to understand that he is a very good internet marketer, and many people don't really see it because, you know, you're blinded by all the flashy cars and the trade accounts and everything. But you got to see behind the curtain. He's doing a very, very aggressive and smart internet marketing. So he's an internet marketer. I'm not saying is so it's not, he's a pro on that. He's smart. I mean, at his level, he's grinding in this business since like 8 to 10 years now. Obviously, he has the right to brag about it because he knows how to do this. Smart but evil. I don't know about the demo and the real accounts. Obviously, it's all just demo accounts, as we all know it. It's simulated accounts, but I 100% sure that he achieved those leaderboards and those payouts that he claims. So those things are definitely real. So can he trade? I think he can. But still, don't forget that he's an internet marketer at first. He's honest. Yes, exactly, Max. Exactly, Max. Exactly. He said it. He said it actually multiple times. Multiple times. Exactly, Max. I heard this from him. He said multiple times that it took him years to get money from trading. He was just blowing up accounts left and right, and look at him now. So you got to respect the grind. You got to respect the commitment. Even if you don't like the person, that's a different thing. You don't have to like him, but he's committed. He's treating this as an absolute business. Like no one out there. I'm sorry. I know we have some pros everywhere, but no one treats prop firm business more. I mean, this much as a business as Patrick Wieland does. He is definitely squeezing every single dollar out of the prop firm business as he can, with marketing, with affiliates, also with trading, you know, the cars, the advertisement, everything. So he is definitely putting everything into the business, and I respect that. Otherwise, his personality, is he evil? Is he a good man or not a good man? I am not sure. If you ask me what kind of person he is in his, you know, life out from the cameras, out from the stream, I know you might be mad at me for saying this, but if I would have to guess, I think he's quote unquote a normal guy, because that's what I heard from credible sources, from people. I'm not going to say from who talked with him. He's a very genuine and normal guy who you can talk with, sit down, have a good talk. And, you know, what he does in front of the camera, it's all for the show. And never, ever forget that. It's definitely for the show. So, and people are forgetting that. And that's why he gets so much hate. But getting this much hate in social media is also engagement and clicks, you know, and sympathy as well from many traders. Many traders are liking him. So yeah, it's guerrilla marketing. That's what it's called. It's a official marketing technique. I don't think he's lying. I don't think. I know it sounds crazy that from me saying that. I don't think that Patrick Wieland is a liar, and you can hate me for it, but I don't think that he is lying. But he definitely presents things a little bit like on the edge. Let's just say it. So I think he is presenting some things, obviously for attention, a little bit like with a silver lining, you know. But I don't think he's lying. I don't think so. He's lying. Payouts from hedging? I don't know. We don't have proof of that. Person on internet, no way. It's like Elon Musk. Everyone hates the guy for a good reason, but yeah. Gorilla in the zoo recently. Nice. Nice. He's still very appreciated. Like, yeah, I completely get your point, by the way, Abyss. New all-time high. Yeah, we're getting there. We're getting there. So seems like we're getting there. Okay, new all-time high. Is this the all-time high again? Let me check it. Why is TradingView loading so slowly? Oh yeah, here we go. New high. Yeah, Abyss, yeah. If you're funny but evil, you can still have some sympathy, obviously, from the crowd, but you know, it is what it is. Hey, Michael Trader, what's up? Okay, so we're at all-time high. What to do now? What to do now? No trade, Michael. Sorry, no trade at all. I'm actually gonna check if I can do anything on gold. There was a nice level here. Look at that. And there's a 3-minute supply zone here. Yeah, almost there. Look at that. It should be taking out that 95.4. So yeah, it's too hectic. It definitely is. It definitely is. You gotta go. All right, Abyss. Sorry, I wasn't reading there. I was chatting. Yeah, one winner can bring it back. See a chance to break all-time high? Well, we already broke it on the micro. I'm not sure about the mini. Not sure about the mini. $816. So we took all-time high. Question is, what's up with ES? Or were you asking gold maybe? Let's check on ES. Yeah, who knows? But anyway, at least we can say that we have SMT, right? SMT all the way. We have equal highs. Well, on the mini took it out. So that's the only thing I'm saying. So the mini took it out. All-time high on the micro was 815.75. And here it was 816. So it went one tick higher. So yes, but I agree. Relative equal highs. And if ES wants to go for higher, yes, we can. There might be a chance on this one to go higher. So let's see. All right, let's see what's going on. Yeah, it seems like going back to all-time high again. I wonder how far it will go. All right, gold is slowly going back into the zone. Not much is happening with that. And not even, I mean, no trades are happening. I mean, no possible setups is what I meant. Nothing. No possible setup here. Oh man, this is gonna be slow. This is definitely slow here. Yeah, ES highs are still in, actually. All right. On gold, there's nothing else. I mean, let me check the higher time frame here. Getting trickier. The algorithms, yeah. Especially the last couple of months, maybe. Who knows? All right, nothing is going on. I'm just pissed off that nothing is going on. Nothing at all. All right, I gotta go. I don't have the mood to trade at all. I'm sorry. I'm just in a bad mood. I just can't. I don't feel like sitting at the charts right now. So I get myself together. See you guys at MyFundedTV.